Hi gorgeous! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Jina. In this video, I'm gonna turn myself into a Korean girl. And now you might be thinking, Jina, what are you talking about? You are already Korean. You're correct. Hear me out. This is what I currently look like. I look pretty good, like I look Korean. I was born and raised in Korea, but now I live in the States. When I go to Korea, people immediately can tell that I am not from Korea. They just assume that I am Korean American, which always fascinated me. Korean girl aesthetic is more like stick skinny, pale skin, dark black hair with lots of ribbons. Ribbons are super trendy right now. When people think of Korean girls living in Korea, they are introverted, quiet, reserved, but she's cute. So in this video, I'm gonna turn myself into a Korean girl living in Korea. From Korean body care, skincare, hair transformation, styling, accessories, we've got it all. So hang on tight and keep on watching. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like and subscribe and let's go. 가자! First things first, the ultimate key to the Korean aesthetic is clear skin. Prepping your body and skin is the most important part of this transformation. Korean girls love taking baths and going to saunas, and trust me, it's different than your typical spa experience. We're starting with a hot bath. I mean hot. The water should be hot enough to make you sweat. We'll soak about 20 minutes. Now it's time for the famous Korean body scrub. This green mitt is called Korean Italy towel. Funny name, right? It's called that because the original mitts were made from viscose imported from Italy. Remember, this is for your body only, and never scrub your face with this. Nope. And when I say scrub, we're going to scrub everywhere. From your back, legs, arms, from head to toe, minus your face. Just scrub as where you need to. And no, it is not gross. You literally become a human eraser. And it's not gross. It's literally just dead skin coming off of you, and your skin will be clearer than ever before. Do you see it? This is all dead skin. It's not gross. Literally your dead skin. After this, my skin will be so soft. Koreans often go to bathhouses or 찜질방, the Korean spot, to relax and rejuvenate their skin. If you want to learn more about Korean spa culture, check out my video here. Scrubbing could take up to a couple hours, and trust me, it is an arm exercise. It's an arm workout. You're literally scrubbing your whole body. And it is tiring, but it is totally worth it. Your skin will thank later. This is a workout. I'm sweating so much. It is hot. Oh. My dead skin. After scrubbing, we rinse off and move on to skincare. Hydration is crucial, especially after a hot bath. There's a Korean beauty term called 𝑬𝑰𝑵𝑗𝑗, which means using one sheet mask every day. It's an affordable way to prioritize skincare. I store all my face masks in the fridge just to keep them extra cold. Keeping face masks in the fridge is highly recommended, especially during summertime. It feels amazing. Sheet masks are inexpensive yet highly effective, especially if you have dry skin like me, keeping your skin moisturized and rejuvenated. And now we're done prepping. Hi guys, we're dyeing my hair now. Next up, we're dyeing my hair jet black. One signature trait of Korean girls is their dark black hair. Living in sunny California has lightened my hair, so we're going back to those deep dark roots. I am putting Vaseline around my ears. I've been doing my hair since college. I'm too comfortable now doing my hair. I don't know if it's a problem. And I feel like I should put something on it. Oh my god, it's turning out so janky. Oh well, I gotta do what I gotta do. Okay. Ooh, I'm kind of nervous. Welcome to Jina's Ratchet Salon. I have not done this for a while. My face and my neck is turning black because of the dye. Oh no. And my arms! It's okay. Now we wait 30 minutes. I think the color turned out pretty great. Even. Did I get the back? Looks pretty dark. But we're not done here. Time to cut. Cutting sounds very scary. I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Kind of done. Time for makeup. For Korean girl aesthetic makeup, Korean versus American makeup is very different. Korean girl aesthetic makeup is very subtle. Let's dive in. Instead of foundation, I'm gonna use this. This one is pretty interesting. There's like a thin mesh over here. I don't know how I feel about it, but I just love the coverage on this one because it's very light, yet it doesn't feel heavy. Cushion foundation, you can definitely build it up, the coverage. For contouring, I'm using Too For School Art Class by Rodeng. I'm definitely using what I have in my makeup bag. You obviously do not have to use all of this. When I went to Korea, I picked up a lot of beauty products and I'm still using them. Products in Korea are so much cheaper. I'm gonna contour the jaw. Not much about cheekbones. It's like the shaving jaw effect. For brows, I'm going for that natural, long, straight brows. So I'm just like brush them out. My makeup using Into Lace Clio's Pro Eye Palette 08 Into Face. This is all pink. I love pink. Lighter shade. I'm just gonna layer light pink and brown. I sometimes mix both of them. Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk Luxury Palette. As you see here, these are like the perfect neutral colors. Blend, blend, blend. With a smaller brush like this, I'm gonna use the darker brown over. And then with the darkest brown, I'm gonna go over. Blend it out. We're gonna create 𝑽𝑰𝑵𝑐𝑠, which is the under eye makeup. It's like a medium light brown. Like, let's use this one. And you're gonna go over the under the eye and basically like drawing a fake under eye bag. It's very subtle though. Do you see it? Very subtle difference. The reason for this is under eye makeup, although it looks like just tired eye bag, it gives that youthful look. So you see there's a little line right here. So I like to use this type of brush for 𝑽𝑰𝑵𝑐𝑠. I'm probably gonna go over with the lightest one on top of the shadow line that we created. It's very subtle, it doesn't really show. And then we're gonna put sparkles or shimmers. Everything has to be subtle, not too much. Instead of doing cat eye, we're gonna do the Korean style. So it going downward, do you see it? We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. This requires lots of focus. For blush, we're using, instead of this blush brush, we're gonna use these tiny ones. I'm using Basic Blending Mood Cheek. Under the eye. Very subtle again. That. For highlighter, I'm using 𝑬𝑰𝑵𝑐𝑜 Cosmetics, my favorite. Soft and gentle. I'm just gonna highlight my nose and maybe over here, just very, very little. Not too much. And for lips, we're gonna skip lip liner. We're gonna jump right into tint. I am using 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑗 Celeb. Bit like that. Then lip balm. This is tinted lip balm. And we're gonna blur the line. Earlier, I was wearing these lashes. They're wispy lashes. I love these. They're fabulous. This is giving like a full glam look. Although this lash looks amazing, this is not suitable for Korean girl aesthetic. So we're just gonna ditch them. And we're going for these natural lashes. Then I'm gonna choose this one. And I'm gonna curl. The lashes are on. And just like that, the makeup is done. And now let's go change and accessorize. For outfit number 1, we have this top. It is like a ruffled, cute, feminine look. I feel like this is the signature Korean girl aesthetic. So in Korean girl fashion world, there are so many different styles. I think a lot of Korean girl aesthetic goes towards cutesy look, highlighting feminine sides and also adding a little bit of accessories that can express their cuteness. You guys, look. This is the first look. I think I look pretty Korean right now. I think I can pass as Korean now. 안녕. My name is Jina. I am Korean. Do I look Korean? Do I look Korean? What was that? What do you guys think? Is this giving? Dainty accessories, ribbon, cutesy outfit? How Korean do I look? I think I look pretty Korean. Wanna go pick flowers together? Okay, this is the second look. It looks like I just came out studying. With this outfit, Uniqlo bag. I'm going on an errand in Korea. Okay, this look is giving like Kim 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑗, like security Kim. Don't look at my pants, but this one's giving like a working girl, like an office worker vibe. The laptop. 네, 서류요? Do I look more Korean now? Yeah, gorgeous, I'm in Seoul. Just kidding. You probably couldn't tell. Every change was very small yet very dramatic. My makeup style is more natural / clean girl. The lashes are definitely different. These thick voluminous lashes are very opposite of the Korean girl aesthetic, and my fit is more feminine. And there you have it. My transformation into a Korean girl aesthetic. Remember, beauty comes in all forms, and this is just one of many. What matters most is that you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. 안녕!